Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your dataset has clean latitude and longitude columns and a unique ID for each point. Once done, normalize precision to 4 to 6 decimals so clustering behaves predictably. Now import the CSV into Geo Scatter and immediately map fields: lat to latitude, lon to longitude, ID to identifier. You should see points populate the canvas. If they do not appear, check for header mismatches or hidden characters in the CSV and correct them before continuing. You now choose the correct projection: Mercator for web maps, equal area for accurate area comparisons. Then assign visual encodings: size for magnitude, color for category, and enable cluster grouping at sensible zoom thresholds. Once configured, adjust the aggregation radius in meters to control how points merge, and set a sampling rate if you have more than 100K rows so rendering stays responsive. Make sure to preview at multiple zoom levels to confirm clusters and symbology behave as expected before exporting or sharing. You finish by exporting your visualization in the desired format: PNG for images, GeoJSON for spatial workflows, or interactive HTML for sharing. Once exported, validate label placement and overlap. Apply decluttering or small offsets so critical points remain readable. If some points are missing or mislocated, check for coordinate reference system mismatches, malformed coordinates like swapped lat/lon, or dataset size limits imposed by the tool. If problems persist, reload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.